Check this out. When you press the button, it yells at you. You right? I will wait. Vegas. Right, Vegas. We got the Sharon, we got Jock Nerdy, we got a Wilson, we got a fucking American ball, we got an Australian ball. We're gonna do a bit of both in a car park. Perfect.
It's like a knuckleball.
So Jock Nerdy has his kick right where it is, and I'm gonna beat it. Let's go with the young Sharon. Okay, we're done. They told us to leave. Alright, so it's the first official night in Vegas because last night I passed out because I was awake for close to 40 hours. But I haven't seen Vegas at night yet, so this is my first official time seeing Vegas at night. This will be interesting. And we are heading to Planet 13 right now. Legal weed. Oh. Robots having a lightsaber fight in a weed shop in Vegas. What in the world? Are you serious? Inside Planet 13, where they make all the goodies. Look at this place. It's weird. There's like no one around though. It's only 11. Oh, it is October. And there were a couple of strangers out the front dressed like It and Freddy Krueger. Showgirl bar. Oh, hello. That's for Lethal. Look at the sky. Oh, there it is. That's where we're going. Let's go. We got a long way back.
Yeah, we do.
The Luxor's going off. So we walked all the way down to Hooters, got a drink. All right, we got the MGM. How many amazing fights have been on there and events? Look who's here.
Jack.
Look who's here.
So,
Yeah, his knee's up kicking the footy. We went to some other place with our bartender or our bar, whatever she was. She had very big personality. Doesn't look like a huge walk, but it's a long walk. Yeah, Rhino.
what's up, Rhino?
There you go.
How are you? I did pop in and check out some of Casual Rage, but had to hang out with this guy a little bit, so.
Oh, had to.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, that's for lethal. That's for lethal. Yes, hey bar, lethal, where you at? Oh, I think she's had a few. Crazy. What's up? How you going?
Nah.
Hey, don't do that.
Nah.
I'm outside. It's legal. She's a nutcase and drunk. She just like tried to push the phone out the way. She's like, I didn't record. Don't record me. You literally put your fucking arm around me. What are you doing? I was. Hey. We're done here. Game's over. All right, so in and out is this way, and this is the way I'm gonna go down right here. Thank you very much. $15. Oh, cops are... Cops just chasing this chick down the street. Bro. Yep, she's getting arrested. A Vegas arrest. I don't know if I can film this, but I'm not going to anymore. There you go. So let's go back home. I am wrecked. Thank you though. Always a pleasure.